questions just for you.
Yeah, no worries.
6833 26th Ave Northeast. Dates April 22nd, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the basement of the home. We are about 120 feet or so down the line from this clean out. I'm running into some sort of a lip, small obstruction out kind of under the sidewalk area, about 11 feet deep. Located already out there. Can't push the camera any further past at this point just due to how many turns and how far away we are. So I'm going to come back from there. It looks like sewage is flowing past this point, so it's not a... So yeah, you can kind of see there. There's a little bit of the lip on that next scene.
Yeah, that looks exactly like what you showed before.
Yeah, so holding up a little bit of sewage right there just because it's slowing gravity. So it's not the end of the world, but it probably will get worse as the years go on. Okay. I don't know about immediately or anything, but there's a little bit.
Sure.
Some of these are mortared joints. The way they put that old concrete pipe together is they like put a bunch of mortar concrete around the outside as they put it in there, and then sometimes that seeped into the inside and creates these little bumps. Again, we're like 120 feet down the line, and it's a bump this big. The idea of that backing that sewer up into your house, pretty slim to none.
Yeah.
So coming around a small turn there, we are about right there where that 8 is. Okay. Pretty soon we're going to see the connection from the downspouts in the front of your house that runs across the front yard and then tie into so you're off of your roof drains. Yeah. We'll see that on the right side of the screen here in a minute. So this is a shared 6-inch diameter sewer line. There's a seam about every 2 feet in the pipe. These seams are the weak spots in the pipe. So far we're in a pretty good shape. But coming back from as far out as we could go there is that first connection point on the right. You see that kind of half moon shape? That's your downspouts from the front of the house. That's 6833's downspouts. Coming off the front of the home. Going to come back a couple more feet and we'll say 6837's on the left side of the pipe. So almost mirrored sewer lines. We're going to come back and see this through the rest of the line. So the next one we're going to see will be a pair of what looks like the kitchen sink drain for 6833 possibly, and another soil drain for 6837. Will be our next landmark. So this is a fun journey.
There it is. Looks like.
There we.
Maybe not.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, there. Well. What did I saw it in there? Yeah, it was in there. Because there's on the left.
Okay.
There's
just that little.
Right.
Okay.
Good eyes. The next spot we're going to hit, we should see 6837's downspouts and soil pipe that comes off the back of the house on the left side of the screen, and then we'll come back around a turn into 6833's personal sewer line. Well, there's the turn. I didn't see their tie-in, but we're coming back now into 4-inch diameter pipe. So there's about 75 feet of 6-inch diameter shared sewer line before you get to that lip that I couldn't jump over. Now that we're coming back into the personal 4-inch diameter line, I'm zeroing out the footage, so we'll get an accurate look at the downspout tied in somewhere up here. I didn't see it though. There it is. Yep. So another downspout tied in on the right side of the pipe there. That's coming off the back corner of the home.
So are we like around here somewhere now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're coming back. We're somewhere in here now.
Okay.
You see it starts just getting a little more rough and aggy.
Yeah.
And that's just because it's coming out of the toilets and all the house a little bit. Yeah, you're getting a full whoosh coming out. It's just wearing out the pipe more. Around this final turn here, The turn's got some roots coming in and some separation. That's kind of an ugly piece of pipe there, for sure.
Yeah.
And that's the first part of the pipe to go, in every single house. Because the sewage comes out, it comes down here and it just smacks into the sidewall and that sidewall. And then any equipment anybody's running, like me pushing the camera, somebody running a cable machine, somebody running a jetting machine.
Just erodes it.
So yeah, it's just bashing into that wall.
Okay.
On top of that, you got the roots coming through. And then we're going to come back around. This is all kind of underneath the foundation of the house here. Cast iron looks fine. Here's the clean out we're making this recording from and the video there.
Okay, cool.